In ancient Rome, the Colosseum hosted staged naval battles, flooding the arena to recreate famous sea clashes. Naumachiae required massive engineering as rivers were diverted, ships built of wood and canvas, and volunteers acting as sailors. Some emperors paid tribute with real fleets, others staged smaller shows in canal basins to dazzle the crowds. The aim was conquest by spectacle, a reminder of Rome's power glittering over land and water alike. Today only scraps survive, but the memory of flooded arenas and roaring oars still fascinates curious minds worldwide today.